Hey, fitness enthusiasts! Are you on the lookout for the best protein supplement brands to support your fitness goals? Well, you're in luck because today, we have an exciting video lined up just for you. We've carefully researched and handpicked the top 6 protein supplement brands that are taking the fitness world by storm. Whether you're aiming to build muscle, enhance performance, or improve your overall wellness, these brands have got you covered. So, without further ado, let's dive into it. Optimum Nutrition. Optimum Nutrition is a well-known brand recognized for its high-quality protein supplements. They offer a wide range of products, including whey protein isolates, whey protein blends, and casein protein. Their products are often favored by athletes and fitness enthusiasts due to their excellent amino acid profiles and easy mixability. Muscle Tech. Muscle Tech is a leading brand in the sports nutrition industry. They offer a diverse range of protein supplements, including whey protein powders, mass gainers, and protein bars. Muscle Tech products are known for their innovative formulations and scientific backing, appealing to individuals looking to support their muscle building and recovery goals. Dymatize. Dymatize is a reputable brand that offers a variety of protein powders catering to different needs. They provide whey protein isolates, hydrolyzed whey protein, and sustained-release protein blends. Dymatize products are popular for their great taste and high protein content, making them a favorite among athletes and bodybuilders. BSN. BSN is a well-established brand known for its extensive range of protein supplements. They offer a wide selection of protein powders, including whey protein concentrates, isolates, and blends. BSN protein powders are often praised for their delicious flavors and smooth textures, making them a go-to choice for many fitness enthusiasts. Garden of Life. Garden of Life is a brand that focuses on providing organic and plant-based protein options. They offer protein powders made from various plant sources, such as peas, brown rice, and quinoa. Garden of Life products are popular among individuals following vegetarian or vegan diets, as they provide an alternative to animal-based protein supplements. MyProtein. MyProtein is a well-known brand offering a wide range of affordable protein supplements. They provide whey protein powders, casein protein, and various blends. MyProtein products are often recognized for their value for money and diverse flavor options, making them a popular choice for individuals on a budget. These are just a few examples of reputable protein brands available in the market. It's important to consider your specific goals, dietary preferences, and any allergies or intolerances you may have when choosing a protein brand. Additionally, consulting with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian can provide personalized guidance on selecting the best protein brand for your needs.